Multiplying and dividing in scientific notation can be done as a short, rather than changing them into their form and then trying to multiply and divide. So I'm going to show you how you can use the rules that you know about exponents to multiply and divide in scientific notation. So starting off, let's just say we're going to multiply 3.1 times 10 to the fourth, and we're going to multiply that by 5 times 10 to the third. All we need to do is multiply our base numbers or our coefficients by each other. So if you need to go to the side and do some scratch work, we need to multiply 3.1 by 5.2. And you should get an answer of 16.12. And then what we need to do is multiply our exponents. And when we multiply 10 to the fourth times 10 to the third, the rule is if the base is the same, which it is, it's a 10, then we need to add the exponents together. So we get 7. Now, we might think that we're done. The problem is that this number right here is not a number between 1 and 10. So this truly is not in scientific notation. What we need is move the decimal one more spot so that the number would be 1.612, and now that's a number in scientific notation. But if we change the placement of the decimal, we have to fix our exponent. And the way I remember it is if I were to move this decimal right now, I would move it 7 places to the right. If I move the decimal here, now I have to go 8 decimals to the right. So the correct answer is 1.612 times 10 to the 8th. Division is very similar, except we'll be dividing the numbers and subtracting the exponents. So let's say we have 8.4 times 10 to the third. And let's divide that by 2.1 times 10 to the negative 7th. So we are going to take these two numbers right here and divide them as usual. And this might actually be math that you can do mentally. If we divide 8.4 by 2.1, we will get 4. Now what we're going to do is divide our exponents over here. The rule with dividing when you have exponents, if the base number is the same, which it is, it's 10, then we can subtract the exponents. So we need to do 3 minus negative 7, which means 3 plus 7, which means our exponent is 10. Only thing we need to do is check and make sure that this is a number between 1 and 10, and it is, so that is the correct answer.